In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create class diagram in Draw.io. To get started, open the Draw.io diagram editor. Once you're inside the editor, look at the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click File, and then from the drop-down menu, choose New. This will open a dialog box where you can begin creating a new diagram. This is the starting point for using one of Draw.io's built-in templates, which can save you time and give you a clean structure to work from right away. In the dialog box, move over to the left-hand panel. At the top, you'll see a search box. Click into that search field and type class or class diagram, then press enter on your keyboard. After that, Draw.io will show you several class diagram templates that match your search. Take a moment to look through the available options and choose the template that best fits what you want to build. Once you've selected the template you want to use, click Create. A new dialog box will appear, giving you a chance to adjust the file details before opening the diagram. Here you can edit the file name, choose the file type, and decide where you want to save it. This helps keep your diagram organized from the beginning, especially if you plan to create multiple versions later. When everything looks good, click Save. After saving, the class diagram template will open and you can begin customizing it. You'll now see the template on the canvas, ready for editing. If you want to add more shapes or connectors, use the left panel where the diagram elements are available for you to drag into your workspace. This is useful if you need extra classes, relationships, or supporting elements beyond what the template already includes. To edit an existing shape, object, or text, simply click on it. Then use the Format panel on the right side of the screen to adjust its appearance or settings. If you need to move something, select it and drag it into a new position. You can also resize or rotate elements by using the handles around the selected object, including the rotate handle at the top right. If you're working with text, click the text box or the shape that contains the text and then update the wording as needed. Once you've made your edits, your class diagram is ready, and that's all it takes to create a class diagram in Draw.io.